Happy Tuesday. Okay, we are still continuing with area and perimeter, but there is going to be a challenge on this page that I'm really going to need you to pay attention to, and we will do this together a couple times this week, okay? So to start it off, it's area and perimeter. Remember, perimeter is the distance around a shape. Area is the total distance, or the total coverage, okay, of a shape, okay, the total inside. So this was done for you. Okay, this is a rectangle, so what we know is this side is going to be the same as this, top to bottom. So you add those all up, 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 equals 16. And to find the area, as you take the width times the length, and you multiply that, and that gets you the square unit, okay? Now, you're going to do the same down here. Now, third grade, I've been doing some chicken scratch, okay? So, here's this shape. You have to find the area and perimeter. So, what you're going to do is you're going to break this into two shapes. So, I'm going to draw a line down there, okay? Now, you have to think about it, okay? Now, you need, this side is 2, but we don't know this side. But we got to look at what we do know. So, if this is parallel to this, this is 5. Are they the same length? No, but let's figure this out. So if this is 5, this is going to be something, let's look for what we know, and this is a 1, so which means this would be a 4. That's what the distance would be, 4. Okay, so we could solve this rectangle is a 2 by 4 is the area. We have to find area and perimeter, but we're just going to do the area right there. 2 times 4 equals 8 square units. Okay, we found the area of this shape. Now we have to find the area of this shape, and then we'll add those two together, and we'll get the total area. Okay? So what do we know? We know right here it's 5. Now, what we do know right here, we got to use what we know. It says this is 5. Well, is this part just 5? No. This is 5, and we got to figure out what this part of our rectangle is, what the dimensions are, okay? So let's look for what we know. If this is, the whole distance is 5, do you see anything? I see that that's a 2. So if this line is 2, Cat Kiki would like to say hello. If this is a 2, what plus 2 would equal 5? 3. So that would be a 3. Okay, so now we're ready to do this rectangle, which is 3 times 5. To find the area, 3 times 5 equals 15. 15 square units. Okay, so that's the area. And we're going to add those two numbers together. 15 plus 8 equals 23. So that would be 23 square units. Now we have to find the perimeter. The distance around the shape, not the inside, so we got to go the distance around. So we know this whole line is 5. This whole line is 5. Then we know that this was 3. 1, 2, 4. You guys see that? Don't add 5 plus 3 plus 2. No, I just broke them up. 5 is the whole distance. 4 is this distance. 2, 1, 3, 5. You add all those numbers. So that would be, hi sweetheart, you add 5 plus 5. I did 5 plus 5. Then I'm going to go up here. 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. Okay? Where is it? Okay. 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 4 is 14. Plus 2 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. Plus 3 is 20. 20 centimeters. Okay? That's how you find the area and perimeter of this. Okay, you're going to do that again for your next page. You're going to use your ruler. You have two rulers, one right here, centimeter ruler, and another one. You have extra grid paper too that I would use for like Friday's work. Okay, so you're going to do this, you're going to measure it, and just like what they did, area and perimeter. Perimeter is distance around, okay, and the area is the total amount of space covered in the rectangle. So you would multiply, do the same for these, okay, and then right here I split it for you. You would measure it, okay, this side and this side, find the area. This side and this side, find the area, and then you're going to find the total and then add those up for perimeter, okay? Have a good Tuesday.